Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the rest part of the first chapter, that is properties of integers. First properties is commutative properties. What are they? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let's take some example. Suppose 5 plus 3. We can write 5 instead of A and 3 instead of B. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let's check it out, its value is true for this statement or not. 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 5 also 8. You can take any positive as well as negative integer. Suppose another example, suppose minus 2 plus 5. A equal to here minus 2 and B equal to 5 is equal to 5 plus minus 2. A equal to here minus 2 and B equal to 5. So A plus B equal to B plus A. Let's check it out, its value is true or not. Minus 2 plus 5 is 3. 3, 5 plus minus minus. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So value of left hand side and right hand side will be same. So it is addition is commutative. Let's another property is associative property. Associative properties over addition operation is A in bracket B plus C is equal to in bracket A plus B plus C. Let's take an example. Suppose where A, B, C are three integers. Suppose A equal to 2 and B equal to 3 and C equal to 4. So we can write A plus in bracket B plus C in this form. A plus 2 plus in bracket 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 in bracket plus 4. According to BODMAS rule, you know BODMAS rule, BODMAS. So first we solve the bracketed part. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, 7. Here 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4. Then 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Value is correct. So associative properties is A plus in bracket B plus C is equal to A plus B in bracket plus C. Next is associative property. Commutative properties over multiplication. So same as addition. In addition operation, commutative properties is A plus B is equal to B plus C, but in multiplication A plus B equal to B into A. A into B is equal to B into A. Let's take an example. Suppose A equal to minus 3 and B equal to 5. So B equal to here 5 and A equal to minus 3. Check the value. 3 into 5, 15. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. Then 5 into 3, 15. Plus into minus, minus. Value is correct. So commutative properties over multiplication operation is A into B is equal to B into A. Next is associative. Associative properties over multiplication is A into B in bracket B into C is equal to in bracket A into B into C. Don't confuse in addition operation and multiplication operation. Let's take where A, B, C all are integers. Suppose A stands for minus 2 and B equal to 3 and C equal to 4 equal to, we can write A, you can write minus 2 instead of A into B 3 into C is equal to 4. We can bracketed the B into C here, and in right hand side we can bracket minus 2 and 3. Then solve minus bracketed part first. तो 3 into 4 12, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 into 4, then 12 minus 2 दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, minus 2 into 12 minus 24, 6 into 4 24. What will be its sign? Negative. So associative properties of our multiplication is a into b, a in bracket b into c is equal to in bracket b into c, a into b into c. Then distributive properties. Distributive properties is a in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, where a, b, c all are integers. A into b plus c. First we multiply a with b, then we multiply a with c, then a into b plus a into c. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose 2 into 5 plus 4. We can solve 5 plus 4 9, 9 into 2 18, or using distributive property, how can we solve? 2 into 5 first, a into b, then a into c. A is here 2 and c equal to 4. Okay, then 2 into 5 10, 2 into 4 8, 10 plus 8 18. Okay, next is role of 0. We already know if we add 0 to any number or any whole number, we get that number. Similarly in integers, if we add 0 to an integers, here a is an integer, then we get that number. Suppose 3 plus 0 is 0, minus 5 plus 0, here minus 5 is an integer. If we add 0, then it is minus 5. Hence 0 is called additive identity. Remind this, 0 is called additive identity. Next, multiplication. If we multiply any integer to 0, we get 0. 5 into 0 0, minus 10 into 0 also 0, we know earlier. Then subtraction. If we subtract, where a is an integer, if we subtract 0, then we get that integer. Suppose 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, 6 minus 0 equal to 6, minus 2 minus 0 is equal to also minus 2. And if we subtract 0 from any integer, suppose 4, then value will be minus 4. Negative sign will be here. 0 minus suppose 10 equal to minus 10. Okay, then multiplication. Role of 1 in multiplication. We already know in any whole number, if we multiply 1, then we get that number. Similarly as integer, suppose 7 into 1 equal to 7, minus 6 into 1 minus 6. If we multiply any integer to 1, we get that integers. Now in division, if a divided by 1, we get a. Suppose 5 divided by 1, we get 5. But 1 divided by 5 is 1 by 5. This is in fraction form. 5, remind that 5 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 5. Don't confuse with this. Okay, 5 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 5. Then, and here 1 is multiplicative identity, 0 is additive identity. Next, division. If any integer divided by 0, that number is not defined. 5 divided by 0 is not defined. This not defined symbol is symbolized this symbol. And if 0 divided by any integer a, we get 0. Suppose 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. 0 divided by minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, so these are the properties and role of 1 and 0. That's all for today. We will discuss the rest exercise of this chapter in next class. Thank you.